In math today, we're going to begin subtracting within 10. So quarter 1, we subtracted 0 through 5, and quarter 2, we're going to subtract 0 through 10. So let's go over our DLO. We'll review our vocabulary words that we'll use, and then we'll do some examples. So I'll go first. Today I will show numbers in many ways. Now it's your turn. Today I will show numbers in many ways. So let's review subtraction. First, we'll start with the operation. Say operation. Say minus. When we were adding, the operation was a plus sign. But we're not adding anymore. We're going to practice subtracting. So our operation is minus. When we minus, we're going to subtract. Subtract. When we subtract, we take away. Take away. And away is important because in many of our story problems with subtracting, you'll hear away. There were 5 ants at the picnic. 2 ants walked away. Or you might hear left. So there were 6 friends at the park. 2 friends left. So left and away means they are not there anymore. They're gone. So if they're gone, we're subtracting, we're taking away from the original quantity. So our operation is minus. When we minus, we subtract. Subtract means take away. You might hear away or left in a word problem. When we take away, we're getting less. So show me a thumbs down, say less. So we're getting less. And when we find what is left, the total at the end, after things have walked away or have left the scene, then we find the difference. Difference. So in the song, when you subtract with a pirate, yo ho ho, you will say, when you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. When you subtract with a pirate, you're always getting less. When you subtract with a pirate, you'll find the difference. So make sure you watch the warm-up video because it has all of those vocabulary words in there to help you look at the examples. Okay, so say operation, minus. Say subtract. Say take away. Left. How many are left? Or they left the scene. When we subtract, we're getting less. And when we find the total at the end, it's called the difference. If it was adding, I'll use the green with the adding. The operation is plus. We add. We're getting more instead of less. When you add with the pirate, you will see you're getting more. And then the total when we add is called the sum. So there are the differences in adding and subtracting. They're opposite. More, less. Sum, difference. Add, subtract. Okay. Let's move on to some examples now. We'll practice those every day. Okay, erase. So I will use my little counters here, and we'll do some examples. In your book, there are pictures, and you'll see that they're in 2 different groups. At the top, it says 9 in all. So that means that's the number of objects that began at the beginning of the story. Then, so that's how many total. But you'll see that some ladybugs are on the leaf and some are off of the leaf. So these ones were on it, but they left. They walked away. And then you'll just focus on the number of how many objects are no longer in the picture anymore. So same thing over here. Here's some caterpillars. They were all on the leaf, but these ones left. They're not there anymore. And then here's the marbles. So you want to see how many are remaining on the leaf. So let's find out. So when we show the numbers in different ways, we can use our drawings with our markers. We can use the magnets. You can use your fingers. So let's do this first one as an example. So we could start with, I'll use my cookies. There are 6 cookies on the plate. There are 6 cookies on the plate. I ate 2 of them. 1, 2. How many cookies are left? So how many are remaining on the plate? So let me draw a little plate. So here's my plate with my little green cookies. There were 6 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 in all. That's how many we started with. I ate 2 cookies. So they didn't walk away, but I ate them. They're not there anymore. How many are left on the plate? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are left. So when we use the word left, we could say like 2 plates or 2 cookies left the plate, or left can mean how many are remaining. We started with 6 cookies, 6 in all. I ate 2 cookies. How many cookies did I eat? 2. So I could take 2 of them off. I subtracted those ones. How many cookies are left, remaining on the plate? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I wrote my number. 4 are left. Let's do another example. Excuse me. Let me make a bigger plate. I have 9 cookies. I have 9 cookies. So I have 9 in all. That's how many I am going to start with. I have 9 cookies in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My friend came over and both of us ended up eating 4 cookies. So I ate 1, 2, 3, 4 with my friend. How many cookies are left, are remaining on the plate? These ones we ate, so they're not there anymore. How many are left on the plate? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. We had 9 in all. Then my friend and I ate 4 of them. So there are 5 are left. 5 cookies are left. Let's do another one. This time I'm going to use my fingers. Okay. I have 7 cookies. So I got 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 cookies. How many cookies do I have? 7. So I have 7 in all. 7 cookies. The dog came and ate 2 of them. How many cookies are left? So I had 7 in all. 7 in all. The dog ate 2 cookies. So I'm going to take them away. I have less cookies now. How many cookies are left on the plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. I had 7. 2 got eaten. How many are left on the plate? How many are remaining? 5. Let's do another one. I want you to try these with me. All right. I have, let's get away from cookies. Let's say marbles. I have 10 marbles. Show me 10 fingers. I have 10 marbles. So that means I have 10 in all. I have 10 marbles in all. I was playing with them, and 3 rolled away. 1, 2, 3. 3 rolled away, and I can't find them. How many marbles do I have left? Let's count. I had 10. 3 rolled away. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 marbles are left. Let's do another one. This time I'll draw pictures. I have 9 stars. No, I already did 9. We'll do 8. I have 8 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As I drew my stars, I counted them out loud because when you count out loud, that helps you keep track of how many objects you had. So I said I have 8 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had my stars, and then 5 disappeared. 5 are gone. How many are left? This strategy I'm going to strike out. So I'm going to just cross them out. 5 stars left. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoops, not 6. 5. I got too excited. 5. 8 in all. 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? So I'm going to circle the remaining stars. How many stars are left? 1, 2, 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way you make a 3. I had 8 in all. 5 of them went away, and I had 3 left. 3 are remaining. Let's do one more with a picture, and then it will be your turn. I had a leaf. Oop, there's my little leaf. I had, let's do 10 bugs on my leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had 10 bugs on my leaf. 5 left. So I have 10 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 bugs left. I'm going to cross them out. Cross them out with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many bugs are left on the leaf? And I could circle them to make sure that I have them all. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. So now it will be your turn to do some examples. In the book here, these ones, you'll count the ones that are remaining, and then on the other side, it has some examples with the fingers. So don't get confused with the 2 sets of fingers, because at the top it'll tell you how many are in all. 7 in all, so that's the top fingers. And then you're going to have to say, these ones are gone, so how many are left? You need to look at the bottom picture to see the difference of the ones that are now pulled down, and then write the number here. And this one here, cross out method will be the best. And then on this page you'll have to draw a picture and show the difference. So now it's your turn.